When you look at your offer letter, along with the CTC that we've discussed so far, there are certain variable payments such as your bonus, sales incentives, gratuity, or even ESOPs. In fact, there are certain job profiles which gives more focus to variable bonuses and incentives rather than your CTC. So it's a good thing to understand what are these variable components and how do they work. The first one being performance bonus. I'm sure in most of your CTCs you must have seen an amount of performance bonus written there, and when the bonus actually comes, it may not be equal to that, right? Because generally the bonus amount in your CTC shows as up to a certain percentage or up to a fixed amount. Now your performance and how you have performed and how the company has performed in the entire year would determine how much bonus you would exactly receive. So basically, bonus is one of the ways of companies and your employers to tell you that they really like your work, keep up doing the good work, and here take some extra bonus from our side. So it works as a great appraisal tool, motivation, and an encouragement for employees to perform better. In fact, there are appraisal cycles which are set in the companies where, on a particular month, your entire work for the year is discussed, feedbacks is given, and based on that, your bonus is determined. Usually what happens is that when we start a new job, we don't know on what parameters our performance is set, and hence when the appraisal happens, it may not be that great. So it's very important that when you start your new job, you have a word with your HR, have a word with your immediate seniors, and understand their expectations and work towards it so that you can make the most of your performance bonuses. Very important thing to note that your performance bonus are fully taxable amounts, so they get added to your income. The next one is sales incentive. I'm sure with our example of Rocket Singh, you know that 40% of his income was determined through sales incentive. So if you're a person who's working in sales, you know that in some cases, sales commissions or incentives can be even more than your salary because your entire job profile and performance is based on sales. Sales incentive is nothing but you get a commission, a percent commission or a fixed amount for every sale you make. So if it's Rocket Singh who was selling computers, for every computer he could sell, he was earning a commission, and that worked as a great motivation for him to sell as much as possible. Now again, as we discussed in performance bonus, it's very important that you discuss your sales targets with your employer beforehand, jot down a plan in place and work towards it, because these bonuses and incentives can be a great motivation to work better and perform better. The third variable payment is ESOPs, which is in employee stock option plans, which are basically instead of a bonus amount or cash being paid out to you, you get companies stock options. We are discussing about it in detail in our separate course, ESOPs. ESOPs gives you the option to become the shareholder of the company, to become the owner of the company, which makes you feel more close and motivated to work better. So basically the idea of variable payments is that employer can also track your performances and you also can earn better and higher by achieving your targets and performing better. Do not forget to have a discussion with your employer when you start a job about their expectations and targets for your variable payments.